Guys, today I will talk about how can you add movies to your favorites on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just come to this list here, and here you're looking for any movie you want to add to your favorite list. You just click on it here. I'm going to click to this movie here, then it's going to show for you here like this. You just click here on add, so then here like you see it's going automatically to add with you here to your favorite list. So that's all you have to do to add to your favorite list. That's all I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.